Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can hopefully tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I will be bronzing myself up, and clearly I need it because I almost match my top today. I've put my foundation on and it is totally the wrong shade. I didn't realise, I'm sorry about that, but today hopefully Mitchell has got my back because I'm putting to the test the Made by Mitchell Blursh bronzed collection, or the two shades that I've bought, should I say. So hopefully these will make me look like I have a tan, look like I've been on a holiday. Without further ado, if you would like to see what these look like on my skin, whether they are worth your money or not, then all you have to do is keep on watching. I did get these on the launch date, and they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. I love that. I love me some cream bronzer, and I did get into the Made by Mitchell blushes. I have 3 here. I'll probably put them on after I've bronzed. This is super cute. I've had this in my parcel, and I did end up getting the shades Holo there, which is the lightest shade, and Shady Business, which is the second lightest shade. I did want to get the cream carve, but it was sold out immediately when I went on the website. It's probably open now, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to start off with these two. I'm going to start off with Holo there today. Should I read some of the claims? I probably should, shouldn't I? Let's read some claims. I don't often do this with a product like this, but why not? So these cost £16 each, which is kind of, you know, up there, but it's definitely not as much as my Fenty Beauty cream bronzer that I love. So if this works, I might have to switch to this. New launch. Welcome to the family Blursh Bronzed, a rich, pigmented, versatile contour and bronzer formulation in 8 shades, perfected to bring shape and warmth whilst keeping you super sculpted. Subtle definition or turn up the volume, Blursh Bronze is perfect to seriously sculpt and chisel, shaping your features whether it's a soft beauty look or a full glam. Fantastic. Very, very nice. I'm not going to read anymore because we know what we're looking for when it comes to a bronzer. Let's actually open these up. Are these going to be too light for me? I wonder. This is Holo there, the first shade. This is Shady Business. Oh yeah, they're a little bit different. That one seems to be a little bit warmer. So Shady Business is a little bit warmer, and Holo there should be a nice contour shade. Okay, let's zoom in and let's put these on. So my favorite way to use blushes is to put them on the back of my hand, take a brush, dab it in, and put the blush on that way. I'm gonna do the same with these because just in case I just don't want this to break down my foundation. Mitchell goes straight in from the wand and puts it on and then blends it in. I found that it breaks my foundation. I don't know whether I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm putting too much pressure on the wand. I have no idea. But just in case, I'm going to do it my way. I want to give this the best shot. I'm taking the brush that I usually use for something like this, and it is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I've got some of my Holo there bronzed blush, and I'm going to put it on the back of my cheek right here. Unfortunately, I do have a big spot in this area of my face, just in my in this spot where I would sculpt and contour. It's disrupting the base on that spot, unfortunately, but that's okay. You know, it's a big spot. It's quite painful actually, and to be fair, I'm not surprised. I feel like this, unless it's my brush, it just seems like it has like the tiniest bit of shiny particles, so it's not like super flat. I mean, I am sculpted and it does look nice. It blended in really, really nice. Okay, Okay, and just to show you the difference, I'm going to go with Shady Business on the other side. We shall see, because it looks a lot more warm. Well, you can definitely see it's a lot more warm. Let's see. So the Holo there is more of like a, to me, more of like a contour shade. And then this, in my mind, would be more of like a bronzer sort of shade. I'm going to use both, probably. That one's nice too. However, I feel like this one just, it's probably the motion. I've disrupted my base just the tiniest little bit. And as you can see, I am using sort of like this stippling, almost stipple and drag motion, not trying to disrupt the base too much. Ooh, both of these look lovely and they blend seamlessly. Wow, that looks so nice. I almost like the Shady Business more because I always prefer a slightly warmer toned bronzer or like a contour. That looks beautiful. Tell me I do not look beautiful. Like, I dare you. That looks amazing. And these, again, they come in 8 shades. Mitchell loves to use these as lipstick. He uses them to do some like cream work on the eyes, like as an eyeshadow base. I feel like it could look really, really nice on my forehead and like actually nice and bronzed. Oof, I love what it's doing. Oh, I just touched it and removed it, so I will definitely either have to let it dry so it like, you know, stays on my face throughout the day, or I will have to powder it down, which would be a slight disadvantage because, you know, in the mornings I just can't be bothered to have so many steps. But that Shady Business colour, oh look at my forehead. I'm taking the rest of my Holo there and sculpting this side of my face a little bit. Immediately, this is more of like a contour shade. This is going to look great for like nose contour, I would say, but for like an overall bronze, not for me. I prefer like a warmer shade for my forehead. I don't like to use contour there. If you're similar complexion to mine, I would go for Shady Business as an overall kind of bronze. I went from a paley ghost to a beautifully sculpted and bronzed perfection. I love bronzer. That's my absolutely favourite step in any kind of makeup. Cream bronzer, powder bronzer, just absolutely love this. Let's see if I can touch it, if it has, nope, it hasn't dried. It is definitely kind of disrupted when I touch it, so I'm going to have to powder. I'm also going to show you the sort of particles that I was talking about. Hopefully camera will pick it up. I don't know how else I could show you the particles, but they are there, trust me. I don't mind them because you can't see them on the face that much. It just gives like a subtle, maybe not dewiness, but it just does not look flat, and I'm sure it helps the formula. It looks really, really nice. Honestly, it looks beautiful. That Shady Business, I can't get over that. Okay, as a final touch, I'm going to put my actual blushes on. I'm using a combination of peach sugar today and mango daiquiri. That's my favourite combo. I originally bought mango daiquiri, that orange, and it just didn't work for me, and the technique to me matters as well. Again, I prefer to work these products into my brush on the back of my hand first. I just feel like it just looks a lot nicer that way. It's almost like half dried at that point, and it doesn't disrupt the base as much, in my opinion. It's almost a liquid blush rather than a cream. I love that. Looks like I've been sunburnt / on the beach. I like that though. I like that look. Again, if only you could see some of the particles that in these, then that would be great. But if you can't, just trust me. It looks like almost glitter specks, but very, very tiny ones. Okay, final test. This will be the test today, whether I approve the bronzed collection or not. Let's touch the forehead. Yep, it left a mark. I know a lot of foundations will sort of do that, but if I have to powder something down, it's always a little disadvantage in my head. Okay, so the bronzed blushes or blush bronzed collection, I do like. I really like the Shady Business shade. I really like the Shady Business shade. It made me look nice and bronzed, not too obviously bronzed. It kind of blended in with my skin really, really nicely. It's a little bit warmer than Holo there. I do recommend Holo there if you're even more fair than me, because this might look a little orange on you, although it's not orange. I do like these and I can see myself reaching for these. I definitely have not seen myself reaching for the original kind of collection, original blushes, and I do use them quite a lot actually. I love the like almost natural look they give to my skin, and I love the kind of mixing aspect of it. I do that with my eyeshadow and I've done it for years. It's a good idea. I also love the fact that you can put these on as lipsticks. I might wear one today. It's a good product. The one tiny little disadvantage that you need to take into consideration is the fact that if you have a fringe, if you play with your hair, you might disrupt that a little bit. It is a cream formula and it does sort of set, however it doesn't set fully matte. It's not a powder. I probably, just to make this look today last, I will probably go on top of the blushes with my KVD. Take it or leave it. I like these. I do recommend them. They do the job. They are great. And that's that. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.